a sight. Early morning light, construction trucks rolling, oh what a sight. Engines rumble, tires spin round, beeping and honking, making joyful sound. The children wave as the trucks go by, reaching the tall blue sunny sky. Let's build today, the workers cheer, and all the trucks come driving near. Here comes the bulldozer, strong and bold, pushing dirt piles big and cold. Its mighty blade moves earth away, making space for the trucks that play. Crunch, crunch goes the heavy steel, flattening ground with power you can feel. With every push, with every glide, the bulldozer works with steady pride. Next is the excavator, long and tall, swinging its arm like it might never fall. Clank, scoop goes the metal claw, digging deep dirt from the ground below. Into the truck the earth goes fast, scoop by scoop until the task is done with care. Neat and right, the excavator works from day to night. Here comes the dump truck, loud and bright, yellow and shiny in the daylight. It carries sand and stones so high, then tips its bed up to the sky. Vroom, tilt, the load slides down, making mountains on the ground. The kids all cheer, do it again, and the dump truck smiles like a friend. Now the cement mixer rolls in slow, round and round its drum will go. Swish, swirl, the mixture spins, thick and sticky as it begins. Pouring concrete, smooth and gray, building roads the safest way. Every spin makes the mixture right, helping workers day and night. The crane lifts beams up high, touching edges of the sky. Up they go, straight and strong, sung by birds in a happy song. Lift, drop, the big hook swings, raising heavy giant things. With gentle moves, the crane stays tall, helping the building never fall. The road roller is last in line, shiny, heavy, smooth and fine.